Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. I'm going to talk to you about each of these deals and how I put them together and how I got all of it for just $10, which comes out to about 50 cents per item. So all those details will be in the video. I'll also include pictures of clearance items that I found while I was in this store. So if you watch my Walgreens video, you know that I did not go to Walgreens yesterday, and no, I didn't have anything fun planned. I woke up and planning to go to Walgreens. I started looking at the deals and looking at my cashback apps, and I just thought, you know what? No, I want a day off. So after a couple of years of doing this day in and day out, I was exhausted and I just decided to not do Walgreens yesterday. So I did laundry and I did dishes and I cleaned up a little bit and I thought about what I was making for dinners for the week, because this is a crazy week. It's a busy week, especially with Halloween being today. So happy Halloween. So I'm sorry that I did not get you a Walgreens video. And I likely won't do one this week. I'm still toying with the idea of doing one or not. I just don't think people will watch it later in the week. So that's where I was. A couple people sent me a message and said, "Are you okay? Where are you? What are you doing? I hope you're doing something fun." So that was sweet to see those messages, and I'm glad that you guys miss me when I'm not around on Sunday mornings. All right, so let's talk about the deals. I had a $6 off a $30 purchase coupon that I was working with, and there are lots of different ways you can use that. I'll tell you how I did. I also had a $3 off an $18 Crest CRT that ends up a moneymaker, so I want to tell you about that one. But just a heads up, when you have purchase-based CRTs, like you have to spend a certain amount to get a certain amount off, they don't combine easily. So like if I have a $3 off 18 for Crest and a $6 off 30, I'd actually have to spend $48 for both of those to come off. So I typically do my purchase-based CRTs in separate transactions because that's what makes sense for me, and I like having a little bit smaller transactions. So I did the Crest by itself. I picked up 6 of them priced at $2.99, so that's $17.94. I had a 3 off 18 CRT, but there's like a 98% rule. So if you're 98% to the way of that coupon, it does come off. So it came off without any issues, just at the register. I had a 6 off 4 digital coupon. I also had one of the coupons from the November Procter & Gamble insert. So I had 6, 7, 8, 9. I had $10 in coupons for these 3 Crests and these 3 Crests at $2.99. You can buy whichever ones you want at $2.99. I just try never to take all of one thing, so I split it up. So I paid $7.94 after all of those coupons, but then I got back $10 in extra care bucks because you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks for each time you do the deal, and I did it twice just in the same transaction. So I got $10 back, making all 6 of them completely free, and a $2.06 moneymaker. Now I also picked up these Cottonelle. They're $4.99. When you spend $15, you're going to get $5 in extra care bucks back. There's also an Ibotta offer for 50 cents back on each of them. So that's a total of $1.50 back. So $4.99 times 3 is $14.97. I had one coupon from a previous insert. It was the October 9th Smart Source of $1. Only had one of them. You could use 3 if you had 3. I paid $13.97. I got $5 in extra care bucks back for spending $15, and then I got back $1.50 on Ibotta, making my final cost $7.47 or just $2.49 per pack, which is a great price if you like that Cottonelle especially. Even better if you have multiple of that Cottonelle coupon. You could use up to 3 because you're buying 3 products. Now, let's talk about the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I did this 2 different ways. The first time I did it as part of the spend 30, not get 6, but $6 off 30. So these are $1.99 a box. So you want to buy 2 boxes, that's $3.98. There's $1 digital, which brings your total down to $2.98. Then I got back 50 cents each on Ibotta, or $1 total back on Ibotta. But I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, where I had an offer for buy 3 General Mills and get $1 back. And then I also had another one for buy 3 General Mills, get 40 cents back. So I think because I bought these Chex Mix bars in that same transaction, I got $1.40 back on Fetch as well, making my final cost for both of those boxes just 29 cents each. Now, the second way I did it, I went to the store again this morning. So last night I did some, and then this morning I did another because I was working on my son's Halloween costume last night, so it was a busy night. I noticed that I had $1 rebate on Ibotta pop up this morning. So yesterday it was 50 cents. This morning it was $1 off 2. So I bought 2 more. I had $1 off 2 coupon that was on the back of one of my cereal boxes that I'd gotten in a previous haul, and I just have them clipped and in my little coupon folder. So again, I paid $2.98, got $1 back on Ibotta, nothing on Fetch this time, but that made it just 99 cents per box. So I wanted to show you both ways of doing that. Now this is just a super simple deal this week. These are $1.99 on sale, $1 back on Ibotta. It's a limit of 5, so each of them are going to be 99 cents. The Colgate. So now I wouldn't have spent this on the Colgate, but I rolled it into that 6 off 30. So these are at my store $5.69 each. And it's spend 10, get $5 in extra care box. So I bought 2 of them. I had a $4 off 2 digital. That's what I was planning on coming off at the register. Now another $1 digital also came off. So I paid $6.38. I got $5 back in extra care box, making it $1.38 or just 69 cents each. And then the last deal I did was on the little critters. Now I got the gummy Vites, which are more expensive. If you can find the immune ones, they're even better of a deal. My store, the first one I went to didn't have it. Of course, the one I went to this morning did. So the more expensive ones were $9.59 at my store. They're buy one, get one half off. So it was $9.59 and then $4.79. There's a $10 digital, which is a super high value digital and perfect for combining into a spend deal. So $4.38 for both of them, or just $2.19 each. I want to say the price point on the immune ones were like $7, so it would be like 7 something plus $3.50-ish. And then with that $10 digital, it makes them like 9 cents a piece or something crazy, crazy good deal. But this is how I put it together. I bought 2 of the cereals, the Chex Mix, the Colgate, and the little critters. And this is how I was using my $6 off a $30 purchase. So those were the items I grabbed. 2 of the cereal, 2 of the Colgates, the Chex Mix, and the little critters. That was $31.73 total. $6 off 30 came off. The 10 off of 2 came off. The $1 coupon for the General Mills. The 4 and the 1 for the Colgate. I paid $9.73 total. Already a great deal, down from $31. Then I got back $1 on Ibotta for the cereal, $1.40 on Fetch for the cereal, $1 off on Ibotta for the Chex, and then $5 in extra care box for the Colgate, making my final cost $1.33 for all of those items. So amazing deal. Now, I could have put this together differently for that spend 30. I could have used the Cottonelle versus the little critters. You can do it however you want if you have that 6 off 30. Lots of different scenarios, but altogether $10 for this haul, making everything 50 cents a piece, which not a bad deal, especially since I like the Cottonelle toilet paper and my son likes the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. No idea on that Chex Mix bar. That's not something we've ever eaten before. If you've had them or you've tried them since yesterday, let me know what you think. If you're finding other good deals, also let me know. And as I'm saying that, I remembered Burt's Bees. So this was just a super easy deal. You buy 2 of the Burt's Bees, you get a $5 extra care box. These were $3.19 each, so $6.38. You get that $5 extra care box back, making it $1.38 for both, or 69 cents each. And someone asked me recently, hey, do you ever do like gift baskets from your stockpile for Christmas or for the holidays or whatever? I'd love to see that video. I will put together gift baskets. Sometimes most of the people that we give gifts to are like not young anymore, so I can't put together like cutesy gifts. But yeah, you can absolutely use something like this in an adorable gift basket, like a pamper basket, or if you have a teacher that you think might enjoy something like that. I used to when my son would get invited to like little girls' birthday parties, because they're all like 12, 13 years old. So if their mom or dad say it's okay that they have like little makeup stuff or, you know, beauty stuff, I have put together gifts like that. And I love doing it because I don't have a little girl. So I love being able to put together cute little girly gifts for the girls that enjoy that kind of stuff. All right, y'all have questions? Let me know. Definitely check out the clearance pictures at the end of the video. Thanks.